What if I told you, you could win almost any argument, even when the facts aren't on your side? My name is AJ, and welcome to LevelUp Gentleman. Today's topic, how to win any argument, even when you're wrong. And no, I'm not teaching you to be manipulative. I'm teaching you how to stay composed, take control, and walk away with your credibility intact. Most people in arguments aren't listening. They're just waiting for their turn to talk. Instead, surprise them. Actually listen, nod, paraphrase what they said, and show you understand their perspective. This does two things. It calms them down because they feel heard. It gives you more information to respond effectively. Remember, you can't win a game you don't understand. If you're wrong, direct confrontation will corner you. Instead, use questions to guide the conversation. That's an interesting point. Can you explain what you mean by? So, if I understand you correctly, you believe? By asking questions, you shift the energy from fight mode to discussion mode. This is where you can reframe or redirect without escalating. In heated arguments, speed is the enemy. When emotions rise, slow down. Take a breath before responding. This pause makes you appear thoughtful and deliberate. A quick reaction often sounds emotional. A slow one sounds intelligent. And in any disagreement, the person who seems most composed usually walks away looking like the winner. Here's the ultimate gentleman move. Never humiliate the other person, even if you've proven them wrong. If you back them into a corner, they'll fight harder. Instead, make it feel like both of you reached an understanding. Use phrases like, "I see your point, and I think we're actually closer in opinion than we thought. That's a fair point. Maybe we can agree on." When you give someone dignity, you win their respect, and you keep the relationship intact. So, remember, winning an argument isn't about crushing the other person. It's about keeping your cool, guiding the conversation, and leaving with your reputation stronger than before. Stay calm, listen well, ask smart questions, slow the pace, and let them keep their dignity. That's how a gentleman wins, even when he's wrong. Here's the truth. In most arguments, the winner is rarely the person with the best facts. It's the person with the best composure. People remember how you make them feel, not just what you said. If you lose your temper, talk over people, or get defensive, you've already lost. But if you stay calm, control the energy, and guide the conversation, you win, even if your point isn't perfect. Before you speak, your body already sends a message. Keep your shoulders relaxed and back. Maintain steady, calm eye contact. Avoid crossing your arms. It signals defensiveness. Keep your voice slow and steady, even if the other person is raising theirs. When you look unshakable, you feel unshakable. And that makes the other person feel like you're in control. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Level Up Gentleman for more tips on confidence, etiquette, and presence. And tell me in the comments, what's your #1 trick to staying calm in arguments?